This is the Enova Cosmetics Gel Nail Polish Kit, and it's supposed to be an easier, quicker, and more convenient way of doing a gel mani anywhere. Here's how it works. You want to start off with clean, buffed nails. Now it's time to apply the gel polish. Shake up the polish tube and then start applying a thin layer on each nail. This is a one-step gel polish that works as a base coat, color, and top coat all in one. Cure your nails for 1 minute. Apply a second layer for more coverage and cure again for 1 minute. Here's how my nails came out. I think the gel polish applicator with the attached brush and the wireless LED lamp do make it super easy to use. It's the perfect little on-the-go kit.